Hi, I'm Zia. I made my moving parts picture out of pieces of card and split pins.
Hi, I am Kevin. I have made my teacher's ears wobble by using card and split pins.
Hello, my name is Roti. When I pull this on man's tie, his ears wobble.
Cheeky ideas, wiggling ears using split pins and card. And you know what, believe it or not, they did that art attack in this science lesson. Well, why not? And it's all based on this wiggling ear mechanism. Take a piece of thin card and draw around a 30cm ruler twice. Now, I always use pencil at this stage, just in case I make a mistake. I can always rub it out or go over it or just neaten it up a little bit. And the idea is to create two 30cm strips like this around your ruler and then divide one of them in half. I'm just doing this quickly to show you. You can measure it more accurately. And then at the edge of that, draw two ears. One ear and one over ear, like that, right at the edge of those strips. And when you're happy with your ear shape, go over it in pen, just using a felt tip pen here. And you can do the little bits in the middle of the ears, like that. Do both ears and then cut both strips out and you'll have something that looks like that. Two strips and one ear strip. And then cut the ear strip in half down the middle, like that. And then take the big strip and just mark a point a couple of centimetres in from the end and a couple of centimetres in from the edge, like that. Place some sticky tack underneath it and then use a very sharp pencil to just pop a hole through that strip. Just be careful when you're doing this. That's why I've put sticky tack underneath. And then take one ear strip and just place that underneath like that and use that first hole as a guide to pop a hole through one ear strip and then again position your second ear strip under the first strip and just pop another hole through using the first hole as a guide. Through it goes like that. Then take a split pin. Now, you can get these split pins from stationery shops or you might have some lying around school and just pop a split pin through all three pieces of card. One through there, a bit fiddly, but keep at it. Turn it over and then split the pin. Hence, split pin. And then just mark a point halfway between each ear and the split pin. And again, I'm just doing it quickly to show you, you should measure it. Halfway point between each ear and the middle. And again, take your sticky tack and sharp pencil, pop that hole through one and pop it through the other one like that. Then take another piece of thin card and just place your wiggling ear mechanism on top like that and just mark a pencil mark through both of those holes there and then mark the inside of the ears, because the idea is to then draw a head that's the same width as the ears. Now I'm just going to draw a cartoon head here. You can make it as funny or as silly as you like, and just using those ear marks as the width of the head. And those two marks you made through the wiggling ear mechanism are now the centre of the eyes. And just make this face really crazy. Put some real zany, spiky hair there. You can model it on someone, maybe a cartoon character, maybe even your teacher, maybe your science teacher. There we are. And just a funny nose in there. You can do any design. Some silly cheeks in there, like that. And again, I'm using pencil, so I can alter the design if I'm not too happy with it. Just keep making adjustments as I go along. And when you're happy with the silly face, just go over it in pen, again, felt tip pen, cut the whole thing out, and you have something that looks like that. And I've even popped two holes through those eye marks. And then take your wiggling ear mechanism and just pop a split pin through each eye, one there and one there. Turn it over and pin your wiggling ear mechanism, or your WEM. That's it, and look at that, right through there, no messing. And open the pin out, and then turn it back over and give it a good old wiggle. And you could always colour it in using felt tip pen or crayons, or you could even paint it. And if you're going to paint it, don't forget to paint behind the ears. And again, just wiggle away. Try it yourself. A couple of split pins, a couple of pieces of card, and create a wiggling ear mechanism. And I'll see you next time. Ta-ra! Ta-da! It's all right here.